And welcome back, everyone. So there is something clearly going on over at Fox News that is troubling for all conservatives, really. They are moving quickly to the left at a pace once unimaginable. The one safe haven, we are all told, is Fox's primetime programming. Tucker Carlson, Sean Hannity, Laura Ingraham. And don't get me wrong, I'm not only a fan of all of them, I am grateful to them for being the strong defenders of freedom that they have always been. So when I saw Tucker Carlson attack President Trump's attorney, Sidney Powell, I, like most of you, was left dumbfounded.
But she never sent us any evidence, despite a lot of requests, polite requests, not a page. When we kept pressing, she got angry and told us to stop contacting her.
Well, never sent evidence, he says. That would mean someone here is either lying or doesn't understand what evidence really is. I'll opt for the latter, okay? Because Sidney Powell insists she sent Tucker Carlson a sworn affidavit from someone who claims they witnessed the fraud firsthand. She also insists she offered Tucker the opportunity to talk to a statistician that could explain the statistical impossibility to see those large numbers of vote totals going to Joe Biden, none for Donald Trump, like we saw on election night. Yet still, Tucker declared this.
When we checked with the others around the Trump campaign, people in positions of authority, they told us Powell has never given them any evidence either.
But I've spoken to people close to the president who all claim they've seen the evidence. Heck, we brought 3 of the president's legal team members right onto this show last night, and they described some of the evidence, and they did, lots of it. This was Sidney Powell on Fox Business this morning, revealing more evidence.
Well, one of the most impressive pieces of evidence is the affidavit of the young military officer who saw it all done and was there when it was created. He knows exactly how it works. He was briefed on it.
Well, that's hard evidence. And I cannot wait to hear from that young member of the military, which is why Tucker Carlson's decision to call into question the credibility of a well-respected fighter like Sidney Powell leaves me absolutely baffled. Because honestly, I don't think it's like Tucker to do this. This is how Sidney Powell says it all went down.
He was very insulting, demanding, and rude, and I told him not to contact me again in those terms.
Again, what the media and apparently Tucker Carlson don't understand is that these cases are presented in court, not on TV. Lawyers cannot reveal everything they have just to satisfy reporters, who are all usually deceitful, by the way. So I tell all of you out there, be patient. I know we got to do it quickly, but be patient. She says she's going to do this in 2 weeks. And let's pray the evidence Sidney Powell claims to have will be enough to get a judge to throw out the illegal votes that I believe are there. And let's pray it's enough to swing this election back in Donald Trump's favor. Until that time, I will trust the president's team because they have not given me a reason not to trust them. And as we end our media malpractice segment tonight, I feel compelled to run a soundbite on a different topic from 2 people I know that you cannot trust. Late night TV host Jimmy Kimmel and former President Barack Obama. And watch how President Obama uses the Hollywood crowd to push a bogus message cloaked in humor.
You know the White House well. You lived there for 8 years. Are there places someone could hide, like if, say, they were going to be removed? Are there little cubby holes or anything we should know about?
Well, I think we can always send the Navy SEALs in there to dig them out.
What would Jackie Gleason say? Hardy, har, har, har. That's real funny. To the moon, Obama. Let me be clear about this. That was not an off-the-cuff quip. It was a well-designed and well-planned tactic to infect the minds of the uninformed. They want you to believe that Donald Trump is dangerous, and they use perceived humor, because it's really not funny, to make their case. The real danger here to this country is the media and the political elites who want nothing more than to see all of us suffer. You know why? They just want to see us suffer so they can have more power. We're not going to let them get away with it.